Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious hazelnut milkshake. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need about 1 cup of roasted hazelnuts, which provide that wonderful nutty base. Then, grab 2 cups of your favorite milk, whether it's dairy or a plant-based option. Don't forget 3 generous scoops of vanilla ice cream for that classic milkshake texture, and 2 tablespoons of chocolate syrup to enhance the flavor. These few items are all you need to start this delightful treat. Now, let's get those hazelnuts ready. If your hazelnuts aren't already roasted, spread them on a baking sheet and roast them at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 minutes. Once cooled, rub them in a clean towel to remove their skins. This step is optional but improves texture. Next, simply add all your prepared ingredients, the roasted hazelnuts, milk, ice cream, and chocolate syrup into a high-speed blender. Blend everything together until it's wonderfully smooth and thick, with no chunky bits remaining. Achieving the perfect consistency is key for a great milkshake. If your shake is too thick, simply add a tablespoon of milk at a time until it reaches your desired pourability. Conversely, for an even thicker, more indulgent treat, add an extra half scoop of vanilla ice cream. Always taste your creation before serving. If you prefer it sweeter, a little more chocolate syrup will do the trick. A tiny pinch of salt can also surprisingly elevate all the flavors, making them pop even more. Finally, it's time to serve your magnificent hazelnut milkshake. Carefully pour the creamy, delicious mixture into a tall, chilled glass. For an extra special touch, you can top it with a generous swirl of whipped cream. A sprinkle of finely chopped hazelnuts or some delicate chocolate shavings makes for a beautiful and tasty garnish. Remember, milkshakes are best enjoyed immediately, so grab a straw and savor every cold, nutty, and chocolatey sip. Enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.